If you are looking for a refreshing home in one of the finest settings on Wixom Lake, look no further than this completely updated property at Thomas Shores. You are sure to appreciate the vaulted knotty pine ceilings and the bright open floor plan. The views are captivating from this space and make the perfect backdrop for living on the lake. The home has 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths and features an additional living area in the garage that could be a family room or additional bedroom. This home has been meticulously updated, including the roof, 2019, exterior siding, 2018, windows, 2017, drywall, 2017, and plumbing, 2017. The northern Midland County location sports city water service, natural gas and Meridian Schools, as well as easy access to US-10 and Midland. Now is the time to bring your dreams of living on the lake to life at a great price. Schedule your tour today.